I thought I would jazz it up a little bit, put a little spice in my mail call. So you know how I do it. Let's rock it. It's mail call, it's mail call. Look what I got in the mail today. It's mail call, it's mail call. I'm so happy today. All right, guys, I got a few things in my mail call today. I went to my P.O. box and it was stuffed. So I'm going to start off with, I brought something from M.I. Gardener right here. So you buy so much stuff in the mail you forget what you ordered. Well, child, we're about to figure out what Miss Renee ordered, because I ordered some seeds and I ordered all kinds of stuff. So let's see what came from M.I. Gardener first. Let's dig on in here. Let me know if you like my little mail call hat, because you know I'm all about the glitter and all the hoopla and the, you know, I got to bring it to you guys when I do my stuff, when I do my mail call. So I saw this and I said, let me put my little crafting skills to work and see if I can hook up this cute little hat. Looking for a green hat, but you know what? I think this blue hat with all this shimmer and shine is giving me all the business. Looks good on camera too. All right, guys, enough about me and my little hat. Let's see what I ordered for M.I. Gardener. Oh yeah, I did. I ordered some soft neck garlic right here. I never grew garlic before, but I am going to try this winter. Well, I'm going to put it in today for sure. It's going in the ground today, so I'm just opening up the package to see what it looks like. I know you guys say you could have went to the grocery store and got some organic, but I'm going to try this garlic from M.I. Gardener and see how it does. Then I think I'll probably go to the store and I'll probably get some organic garlic, and I'll try that too. Is that the only thing I ordered? Yep, that's the only thing I ordered was the garlic from M.I. Gardener. So I got to put some work in today. All right. This next mail call, OMG. That's all I can say about this. Miss Renee went to her P.O. box, and I was expecting this package from the Canadian Get Outdoors. I've been waiting for him to send me my little something something. So when I went and I saw this box, this is the size of the box now, right here. And you know, my P.O. box is maybe the size of this box. See the size of this box? Right here? This is the size of my P.O. box. So, you know, I open up my P.O. box and I see this and I'm like, oh, it's from Canadian Get Outdoors. I've been waiting for this. So I opened it up, and as you can see, this box has been through the battlefield for sure. How it got like this, I'm about to tell you. I opened my box and I was pulling and pulling. And this, I guess whoever put this in my P.O. box, they must have saw that it didn't quite fit. Okay, this is my P.O. box size. This is the box that Canadian Get Outdoors sent me. I think it should have just slid on in there. Oh no, this box was no joke. Miss Renee was tugging and tugging, and it seemed like it was so smashed into my P.O. box that I could not get it out. So I took the front, and I was using the front as to pull it. And you see how, sorry Canadian, how I tore this box up trying to get this bad boy out. And then when I finally got it out, it was ripped to shreds. So I felt like I needed to put my foot on the wall where my P.O. box was and do that tugging motion, because this bad boy here was like it was glued into my P.O. box. But you know what? I did not stop. I did not stop the fight. Miss Renee said, I'm going to win this fight. So I tugged and tugged, and I finally got this box out. So Canadian Get Outdoors, I'm sorry for the condition that your box came in, but I still won. I got that box. The box you sent me, I got it. I got it right here, right in my hands. Woohoo! So I'm so excited about opening the box. Even though it's like ripped like this, I did open it. I didn't want to, you know, ruin the surprise because I'm excited to see this. So let's see what he put in this box for Miss Renee. Oh, he put in some sunflowers. Oh my goodness. I'm hoping and praying that it's those burgundy sunflowers. The ones that you saw in the field and you were just, you know, walking around through them. But you know what? I am so thankful for anything. So I am definitely going to be planting these in the spring. Oh yeah. What else did he send me? Okay, let me tell you about this shirt. He had a giveaway for a shirt that he was designing, and he wanted to share it with the garden community. So all you had to do was just put down in the comments that you would like to try to win this giveaway. So I did, and weeks went by, and I didn't see any videos or anything telling people who won the shirt. So he emailed me, no, he commented on one of my videos saying that his son pulled names out of a hat and I was one of the winners. And I was like, what? I won? Yeah! So I said, okay. So we exchanged information and stuff and I got it. So let's open it up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. It says Canadian Proud, Get Outdoors. Can you guys see that? Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Trust and believe, I will be wearing this. And it says, smash that like button on the side. See on the sleeve? It says, smash that like button. Of course. And then it says, hashtag summer of heat. Ha! I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. You guys will be seeing me wearing this when I'm outside or I'm just hanging out at, you know, in the streets trying to make them deals. You will definitely see this for sure, for sure. Thank you so much. I love it. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, you got one more other thing. Is it a Mexi bell pepper? Yeah, you know how much Miss Renee loves her bell pepper. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I really, really, really am going to enjoy my seeds. And you know Miss Renee gonna rock this t-shirt without a doubt. I'll be wearing this. All right, so let's see. My last mail call that I received was from Amazon, because you know Renee's been dibbling and dabbling, you know, when making her spices and stuff. So I wanted to order some containers, some spice jars to put my my spices in that I made. So this is the box that those jars came in. So let's see what they look like, because I want my own little collection of my own little spices. So let's check them out. Oh, cool. These are going to be cute. They're little spice jars. See, it has spice on the front. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says spice. And then it has a cute little decorations of little flowers and stuff. This gonna fit right on time with me. And then they have, oh, what's this? Let me cut this open and see what this is. This is, oh, I guess when you're trying to put your spices in the jar, look, you can take this part off. So I can pop it up. Pop this off and then put this on here, and then you can pour your spices right in that. Isn't that cool? Love it, love it, love it. Perfect. I'm loving that. And I think that's the only thing down there. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I got 14 of these. Nice. So I'm very, 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 very pleased. So that is all that I have for Miss Renee's mail call for today. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this mail call, and I want to say thank you again. Canadian Proud, get outdoors for my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shirt. I love it. And I can't wait to see how this garlic, goes. Wish me luck on that. And I'm going to have a good time filling up these spice jars. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button so you can join my family and see what other crazy things or whatever things Miss Renee's got going on in her garden. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I bring another mail call to you guys. And give your girl a thumbs up because that helps my channel and I would really, really appreciate it. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will see you in the next mail call. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye. Guys, I forgot because I was so excited about all the wonderful things that I had in my mail call that I forgot to showcase a t-shirt that I was wearing. And I love it. If you guys want me to rep your shirt in my videos, go ahead and send me a shirt. I'll be more than happy to rep it in my videos. All right, guys, the person I'm repping this time is who? He goes by the name of Broke Farmer. All right, Broke, you ready? I'm repping Internet Cousin. Woohoo! Love this shirt. He's my internet cousin. Broke Farmer is a fabulous YouTube creator here. He is the kindest. He is the nicest. He's got a sense of humor that is out of this world. He will do anything for you. He just makes you feel like family. And the one thing that Broke always does, what's he do? And what else does he do? And what else does he do? Come on, get a little closer. Come on, Broke, this hug's for you. Come on, give Miss Renee a hug. Come on, get a little closer. All right, squeeze hard, Broke. This is a hug for you all the way from Virginia because I am loving your shirt. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. All right, guys, take care.